Hi, I'm Uday. So, in the last few months, you may have heard a lot about these two terms, cryptocurrency and blockchains. Today, I'll talk about what they are, what made people interested in them, and some of the concerns people have regarding cryptocurrencies. Now, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. And blockchain is the technology that enables the existence of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies hold the promise of making it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties without the need of a third party like a bank, and these transfers are secured by use of keys and different forms of incentive systems like proof of work or proof of stake. So, where is this craze about cryptocurrencies coming from? First, it would be the rising prices of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Just in the year 2020, the price of Bitcoin rose over 200%. And then it would be the low transaction charges and the privacy people get while making these transactions. Finally, you could say that cryptocurrencies are seen as future of money by many individuals. Now, why are people cautious of cryptocurrencies? First, it would be the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies, because of which it becomes hard to track crypto transactions, and hence some people may use it for illegal motives. And second is its extremely volatile nature. As we have seen in the last couple of months, prices of cryptocurrencies fluctuate a lot, which makes it a bit of a risky investment. And third would be the uncertainties people have about the future of cryptocurrencies, because we still don't know if governments will allow them to exist or not. So for today's video, that was it. And at the end, I have a question for you guys. Technically speaking, anything can qualify as money as long as the receiver and the sender agrees. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies replace rupees and dollars? Also, do let us know if you have any such suggestions or questions in the comments below. Thank you.